Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to be looking at the LP gas tank component of the Airstream located at the front of the Airstream. We have a latching mechanism that holds the cover in place. It's a rubber mechanism. We simply just pull down and out, it releases the mechanism, we lift the cover, and we can look at the two LP gas tanks that are located inside the cover. We have a wing nut here and a bracket that holds the tanks and secures them in place. We simply just loosen the wing nut, spin it off, and we can lift off the cover. And here you can see the bracket has slotted, it's a slotted bracket that secures the two LP gas tanks in place when we have the wing nut on and secured. We also have a valve assembly here in the back of the tanks that rotates 180 degrees. It has an arrow on it that points to the primary tank, rotated 180 degrees to the other tank. That would make this the primary tank. It has indicators on there to let you know if there's gas in the tank or if it's empty. Red means it's empty, green means it has gas in the tank. It doesn't tell you how much gas is in there, it just lets you know that there is gas in the tank. What some campers will do is have one tank turned off while the other tank is turned on. So we rotate our arrow over to the tank that's turned on. It'll be green. With this tank turned off, we'll be running off the primary tank that's on. When this tank goes empty, the indicator will turn red. We can come out and switch it over to the secondary tank, now making it the primary, and turn the gas on. Now we have 50% of our gas left while we get the empty tank filled. Some campers will leave both tanks on. Just know that when both tanks are on, when they go empty, you're completely out of gas. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.